I'm gonna talk about your love of ranch.
I'm scared.
Me
I don't want a
too.
ranch drink.
It'll be fine. I looked up.
I should have worn my Peace Love Ranch shirt.
Go get it.
Change shirts.
I'll just zoom into us to the faces.
That would work too.
Hi guys, I'm Arleo. Welcome to the Kitchen Drink, where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today we're back here with Aubrey.
I'm back.
As you can tell, Aubrey loves ranch. She does not like peace or love, only ranch.
No, could cross these out, honestly.
I should actually just say ranch, ranch, ranch.
Ranch. I need that shirt.
What are your favorite things to put ranch on or with?
My favorite thing is pizza, but I also like a good chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, chicken wings, ranch veggie dip, carrots and broccoli. Most of the things that I eat with ranch are just for the transportation of the ranch into my mouth. I'm from the Midwest, don't judge me.
No, it's ranch.
It's so good. You're just a hater.
I am a hater. I'm a ranch hater.
You are a ranch hater.
So you say ranch can go with everything? I'm gonna regret trying a ranch cocktail.
We're all scared. I do have to say, I did try one of those gag ranch sodas, and I tried it. I was so scared, but it actually wasn't that bad. It's not something I would drink the whole thing, but it wasn't that bad.
I still feel like I'm gonna throw up. I may die from this, so please subscribe and ding that bell so I may be revived.
Sad reacts only.
I did some quick research because I wanted to make sure ranch would be a viable ingredient. It is cream, you can use cream in drinks, lemon or vinegar, which you can use in drinks, and garlic, chives, dill, and other things. All these things you can throw into a drink. Would you normally throw them all in together? No.
The components are there.
Let's go to Ranch Town. Ranch Town?
Won't you take me to Ranch Town?
All we've done is talk about ranch, so of course I'm going to grab the ranch first, and our decent alternative to fresh citrus and some sweetener. I thought about using hummus, but we've done that episode already, so we'll get some Truly and some stevia instead before we go get some rum. A little quick-made stevia simple syrup with the lemon juice get thrown in first, followed by the ranch. Add the rum, give it a shake, and taste it. I do add a little more ranch because the first amount was a little scant and I really wanted the ranch to come out. Turns out ranch particles can't get fully fine strained, but that's close enough. And after doing a taste test trailing a Truly top off, let's see what Aubrey thinks.
Okay, so it's not that bad.
You tried it?
I did. As you can see, there are some little ranch particulates there.
Oh, good.
Let me know when you're prepared to take this from me.
Guess I'm ready as I'll ever be. Looks like milk. Okay, I like it. It's definitely ranch. There's no hiding that.
Real fast, compared to that ranch soda, how does this taste?
So much better because it's sweeter. The ranch is definitely there, especially in the finish, but it tastes more fruity. It's not bad, honestly. I might be able to drink all of this.
Why did I do this? Yeah, I tasted it and okay, it's not terrible. I wouldn't drink this all. I had 2 straw tastes because I had to.
Yeah.
I didn't die. That's how okay it is.
Yeah, it's worth a try. Definitely better than the soda ranch. Think I know what alcohol's in it? Is it rum? It almost tastes like coconut rum, but I don't think we had any more of that.
I'm so disgusted in myself right now.
It's really not bad. If it were bad, I would not go in for more soda.
Yeah. Here's a hint. This is actually a relatively simple drink because I wanted to focus on the ranch as much as possible.
Yes, the ranch is definitely there.
There are not too many ingredients. They're not too complicated. Oh, it looks like curdled milk.
Don't say that. It's fruity and the ranch gives it just a nice little savory finish.
How much ranch do you think I put in there?
Well, it can't be very much because I was low on ranch and I still feel a little bit in here. But I feel like it doesn't take a lot of ranch to go along with.
That's what I was saying.
Do I get to know what else is in here now?
Yeah, we'll go do that. First ingredient, Ranch. What
Where
a
did that come
surprise.
from?
I started with a tablespoon and then I tasted it and I don't think this tastes quite like ranch yet. So I added another squirt or two. Who knows how much I put in there at this point? Like,
Tablespoon of ranch. That's way
Tablespoons.
less than I usually eat in my normal ranch serving.
because this is a creamy ingredient, I decided to base this off my favorite thing to do a kitchen drink episode with, the fizz, which usually is cream, citrus, sweet, spirit, and club soda. For the spirit in this, I just used some Bacardi.
I said rum.
You did. This is a very different episode from usual because rather than having a weird secret ingredient, this is a secret ingredient. Let's see what happens.
That we're gonna try
Yeah.
to make something out of.
This is basically Iron Chef, except
Yeah.
Iron Bartender.
Iron Bartender.
The kitchen drink edition. I need to make that now! Iron Bartender, kitchen drink edition. We got the cream part of our fizz, and we got the spirit part of our fizz. So the citrus, you had no fresh citrus, which is great because that means I didn't have to hand squeeze anything. The citrus I used was Italia Garden Italian lemon juice, not from concentrate, selected by Concord Foods.
Yay.
I'm not curious enough, but I am curious how this would taste with fresh citrus instead. Who knows how this would taste with fresh squeezed? It's separating, oh no.
A little bit.
Oh god. Last time we told everybody that you're diabetic so
Yes.
that they could use it against you. And once again, the sweetener I used was
Stevia. Stevia.
I don't know. I'm thinking of Activia right now. What is so good about it again compared to regular sugar?
Just that it doesn't have sugar in it.
It's a 0-calorie sweetener.
Yeah.
And calories are bad for bolusing.
It's sweetener, it's not sugar. Carbs are bad for bolusing.
Oh.
It's 0 carbs. You're close.
There are 0 carbs in this one too.
Or less than 0.5 grams of carbs.
Yeah. Stevia has a very interesting flavor in comparison to regular sugar. That might contribute to the fruit flavor you're tasting. Pop quiz! What are the 5 things in the fizz?
Citrus. I don't remember any of the other ones.
Spirit, citrus, sweet, cream. I was trying to think of an S word for cream. And finally, the soda or carbonated part. You had a lot of carbonated things. You had cider, you had IPA. I upped the citrus flavor in your drink by using Truly
That
hard
makes sense.
seltzer. Also,
Yeah.
this drink's not truly a fizz because the
Truly a fizz.
Great, I lost my train of thought. This is also helping mitigate some of the forwardness that you get from the ranch. That's why it's more on the back burner. On a scale of 1 to ranch, how ranchy did this ranch drink ranch?
Very ranch. Ranchy as ranch. I could drink the rest of this. I'm not kidding. I probably might.
I'm still disgusted. So guys, I guess that's Aubrey's kitchen drink. Before we put in everything,
But the kitchen sink.
remember to not drink ranch, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Also drink responsibly.
Cheers.
No! No! Oh god.
You're so sad.
I'm retiring from bartending. Starting now.
This is the last drink.